Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to change a Gmail name. So first, just simply go to the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and after that, just simply go ahead and click on manage your Google account. And from here, just simply go to the personal info on the left side of the screen. And after that, just simply go for the name over here and go for the name again. And after that, you should be able to change your first name and last name over here. So pretty much this will be depending on you. And as you can see, changes to your name will be reflected across your Google account. So your previous name may still be searchable or appear on old messages. And after that, you can just simply click on save in order for you to change your name. And you can also add a nickname as well over here. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.